My name is Dr. Bob Thaler from South Dakota State University. I'm the Extension Swine Specialist, professor there, and part of this great trial. So first of all, I just want to thank the people that made this possible with their support. The first would be the U.S. Grains Council, North Dakota Corn Council, the Minnesota Corn Research and Promotion Council, and the Northern Crops Institute. Without these people stepping up and contributing to this project, it wouldn't happen. And as we go through this, I think you'll understand this is probably going to be a bellwether trial that's going to make a huge impact on the value of U.S. corn in international markets. And so basically I came up this morning to help with the milling component of it. So the first thing that we started doing, all the corn came in 80-pound bags. So we stripped open the bags, put it in the legs. Legs got up to grinding. Kurt did a lot of all the grinding. We're able to get the corn samples out, and now in the afternoon we're mixing the swine diets, getting those put together. And so hopefully by 5 o'clock they're all going to be shrink wrapped and on a trailer and heading back south to Brookings. So the part that SDSU plays in this is really the pig part. So in 2016 we opened a brand new swine unit, actually that North Dakota Soybeans and the Minnesota Soybean Council helped contribute. So we're just using this as one way to show a payback on that investment, so we want to thank you very much. And we're doing really 3 different trials. So in the first trial, what we're doing is looking at protein and amino acid digestibility. Because when we look at a pig diet, the protein, the amino acids are probably some of the most expensive ingredients in there. So we're going to see, is there a difference in amino acid and protein digestibility between U.S. corn, Brazilian corn, and Argentinian corn. And then the second trial that we're going to do is actually look at energy digestibility. We're going to determine the metabolizable energy content of those 3 different corn sources. And the reason why is about 80% of a swine diet is made up of corn, and starch is the #1 energy source. So if you look at some of the other work that the U.S. Grains Council has done looking at ethanol production, it seems like U.S. corn is going to have a little bit higher levels of starch. And so if that's true, if we can document that here, there's going to be more value. So if there's higher amino acid digestibility, that adds value to U.S. corn. If there's a higher metabolizable energy value due to the higher levels of starch, that's an additional value that people can pay for U.S. corn. And the third part is we're going to let the pigs tell us what happens. So the first 2 is more lab work. The third part is actually we're going to feed it to pigs. And so it's a nursery trial. We're going to start the pigs at 20 pounds. We're going to feed the diets for 4 weeks, and they're identical. The only thing that is different is corn source. And so again, we're going to watch and see what the pig tells us. And it's interesting because young pigs really are dependent on energy. And so if there are differences in energy, we should see a difference in pig performance. So when you look at the lab work that we're doing on pigs, the pig growth trial, you're looking at the incredible milling stuff that's done here at Northern Crops Institute, the poultry stuff that's done in Auburn. I mean, when you talk about marketing U.S. corn, I'm not sure what a more systems approach, whole approach could be than this. So again, it's pretty exciting to be part of it. Again, I want to thank all the people who helped support this. Hopefully we can all work together and do more of them. And as my favorite philosopher, Red Green, says, we're all in this together.